In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the meat temperature set point values. The smokester can monitor up to 3 different meat probes. It has meat probe 1. Now you see meat 1 comes on the screen, meat probe 2, and you'll see meat probe 2, and now meat probe 3. It knows when you have plugged in and when you have unplugged one of the probes. For example, we can take out probe 2 and it disappears. Now we'll put it back. You can change the set point of these probes individually. In this cook, I'm going to be cooking a turkey, so I only need 1 probe. We'll remove meat probes 2 and 3, although it doesn't make any difference which one you use. I want the turkey to get to 165 degrees internal temperature. To change the set point of the meat probe 1, we push the button once. It says, do you want to change the pit temperature? We're just going to leave it at 350. You push it again, and now you can change meat probe 1. It knows which probes you've plugged in and allows you to change only the temperature set points of the probes that are plugged in. We want the turkey to get to 165 degrees, so we're going to turn it down. Now we're at 165. We push it. We don't want to change the advanced menu options, so we say no. You can see now that meat probe 1, the set point is 165. When that probe gets to 165 degrees, the smokester will run its keep warm program. It remembers the set point of the probe. If you were to turn it off and then turn it back on some other time, you'll see that it knows that meat probe 1 is still 165. We could do the same thing for any of the probes. Now I put it on meat probe 2. If I push it once, I can change the pit temperature, which we don't want to do that. We push it a second time, and now you can change meat probe 2 because it knows that meat probe 2 is plugged in. Let's say that we wanted meat probe 2 to get to 200 degrees, as if I were going to do a brisket. We'll turn it down to 200. We don't want to change the advanced menu options. Now it shows that meat probe 2's set point is 200. Again, it remembers it if you turn the power on and off. We're going to use meat probe 1, and you see it still says 165 for turkey. If we were to take a second probe, put it into meat probe 2, you'd see it still remembers that it's 200. Again, once the meat probe hits its set point, the smokester will run its keep warm program, and you can change the keep warm temperature. We'll discuss that in a separate video. That is how you change the set point of the temperature probes. Thanks for watching.